hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, all over the world and where you are tuning from right now. Hello, everyone. So it's another day, another opportunity, di ba? So hello, just waiting for another view. View muna tayo. Bakit wala yan? So that I can see who's commenting or who's visiting my live. So, hello po sa inyong lahat. So, yes, I'm here again on live for today, and I'm from Antioch, California, originally from Philippines. And to those who are first time to see me, my name is Julie Ann, and I'm a business owner and a business mentor where I help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And yes, time check muna tayo. Today is Tuesday. It's September 10 at 3:11 p.m. And wow, medyo early tayo ngayon, hindi na late, diba? Consistent na ba? So, yes, and I'm here again. You might see me every day on doing lives because we have this challenge, which is the 90-day success challenge. And today is our 51st day of our 90 days. So, wow, almost half na. And then, every day we have a topic and we will gonna be discussing or sharing something about our experiences and our life. And this 90-day success challenge was initiated by one of our business partners because of three main reasons for me. It's for personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit. Because, hindi ko naman to ginagawa dati. This is my first time to, come out on my comfort zone and then doing these lives. So, getting used to it. Hi! Shout out muna to those who came on my live. We have 4 million viewers right now. Hello, Sis Saukon, all the way from New Zealand. And yes, we have a business partner. Shout out to Sister Melody, who is all the way from New Zealand. And thank you for the trust, sis, that you were able to see the beauty of our business. And I'm going to congratulate her. This will be a life-changing opportunity for her. And yes, she's one of the product ba ng Go Live. And I'm very, very proud of that. Oh my gosh. You see? So, at saka tamang-tama at natataon sa topic natin ngayon, which is about self-growth at saka, ano nga bang topic natin ngayon? Let me see. So, it's about the importance of self-growth and journey to self-improvement, which is talagang natataon. Kasi, actually, our new business partner, Melody, was one of the product of, our Go Lives. And we know that our topic for today, it's all about self-growth. And we know naman that self-growth and self-development is a continuous journey for self-improvement, which is what we talked a while ago during one of our partners go live, business partners go live, that the biggest room in this world is self-improvement. And because we have a lot of choices and it depends which one fits for us, right? So that is what we're gonna be talking and sharing about, because having this self-growth and self-improvement is a way where we can see our strength and weaknesses, our potential. And it's a time also to see, embrace new challenges and learn new knowledge, especially for me, which is very new to this journey that I'm having right now, especially this 90-day success challenge. And aban, dami nang make mga comments na. Hi Zap, hi Ken Abal. So shout out muna bago ko sila mawala. si Cheryl Amor, si Saukon, si Brother Kenneth, Zapra, hello, hello sa inyo, and thank you for coming into my live. And yes, so so regarding ano nga ba sa akin, ano ang daming nangyari within this past when I joined in or when I took a leap of faith for this business that I'm having right now. There's a lot of things that parang 360 ang turn ng aking life at saka yung pagbabago, especially for the mindset talaga. So, just shout out lang muna sa mga bagong pumasok. Hi, Sis Jins! Congratulations! Oh my gosh! And yes, teka lang, bago tayo pumasok muna sa ating topic, just ko, na-excite kami the whole night and the whole day until now. We are so hyped and overwhelmed na ang aming business partner na si Gina was able to hit the major milestone. And congratulations. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. At oh my gosh, parang kailan lang, Jeans, na we're just talking in your backyard about life, what life will bring. And then, eto na-hit mo na. Diyos ko, nakakaiyak pag iniisip. Parang kailan lang talaga. It's just like a dream na parang kagabi lang na pinag-uusapan namin about life, papaano mabago ang buhay. Naiyak na naman ako pag iniisip ko eh. And then here we are celebrating your major first milestone in life. And there's more to come. Pero at least nasimulan na, 'di ba? At saka nakikita na natin ang ganda ng business na 'to. Kaya oh my gosh. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-react talaga kasi parang kailan lang na parang oh my gosh, we're just talking about dreams, about kung ano ang magandang gawin sa buhay kasi we know naman na there will really time that will come na talagang sasabihin mo na pagod na ako, hindi ko na kaya, parang ganun na. Tapos siyempre hahanap ka ng paraan para tingnan ang ganda na yun, para mabago ang ma-break yung chain na yun or para mabago ang sitwasyon ng buhay mo. So ito na yun, girl! Oh my gosh, congratulations talaga. At saka, yun nga, wala talagang mangyayari kung hindi ka magte-take action if you don't start. Yung word na yun na start pa lang, ang laking ano yun, kahit yung simpleng word na yun, nakikita mo, napakasimpleng word lang na sabihin, pero kapag ginawa mo, talagang ang laki ng impact sa buhay mo. Hindi mo talaga may imagine kung ano talaga ang mangyayari, yung opportunity talaga. It's like, oh my gosh, di ba? So, yeah, shout out lang muna. Sis Rachel, hello. And I was able to catch up at nakahabol ako sa live mo. Girl, ang tagal ko din na hindi nakanood ng live mo. Puro na lang akong replay eh. But I was able to catch you. So, oh my gosh. Kaya ito, overwhelming na lahat. Oh, nagwawala na sila sa, sa aming team. Oh my gosh, it's really a big, huge milestone kasi. At saka hindi mo talaga may imagine na mararating namin yon. And the thinking na it's ilang months na si Jeans dito ilang months na si Jeans dito sa business and grabe. I can't na-speechless talaga ako. Tsaka ngayon nanginginig pa yung kamay ko. So, ito, kaya nandito ako ngayon. So, which is tamang-tama sa ating topic, which is self-growth and self-improvement. And that's what I mentioned a while ago, that self-improvement is the biggest room in the world. Nakuha namin yun sa joke. So, yun. So, ano nga ba ang mga parang ang daming nabago sa akin kasi dati I'm not this kind of person showing in front of you guys, showing in front of the camera. And hindi naman to ang comfort zone ko eh. Ang comfort zone ko yung pagiging nurse lang. At saka yon, yung isa pa is I don't take compliments that easily kasi Kasi parang pag minsan kasi 'pag sinasabi nilang maganda ka or magandang ginawa mo parang hindi pa rin, eh. Kaya 'pag minsan hindi ako masyadong nagre-react 'pag may sinasabi nila na, yeah, yeah, gano'n lang. Kasi parang 'pag minsan hindi ako naniniwala. Siguro gano'n din, yung dahil sa business na 'to naging skeptical ako for how many months and then I joined Gina for, after 7 months, 'di ba? And then yun yung isa, 'di ba? Yung talagang comfort zone niyang ano, I don't take that compliments easily, which is nakita ko sa isang business partner na gano'n din pala siya. And then sa work naman, I just go to work, time in, time out, ganyan lang. And then hindi naman ako masyadong pabibo or paano sa work. I'll just do my job and then that's it. And then as long as my patient is safe, as long as I'm safe, then I'll be okay. And then sa sa ano naman sa yun yung talaga ang daming nagbago aside from that, 'di ba? Yung lalo na sa mindset kasi pag ako din mabilis akong ano, mainipin, wala akong masyadong patience, yan. At kaya kapag nagme-mentor or may bagong orientee tapos ipapa-orient sa akin, I will refuse right away because I don't like, ayoko yung mabagal, yung gusto ko yung tak tak tak. Tsaka yung siyempre, ER nurse tayo, may kanya-kanyang diskarte. Yung gusto ko, gawin ko yung diskarte ko. Ayoko yung may tinuturuan pa kasi parang nababagalan ako, yung parang ano ba, parang gano'n. Yung minsan na mainipin na talagang sasabihin mo na, yung i-explain mo pa na pag-graduate ka na nga, ito pa, gano'n yung hindi mo pa alam yung gano'n, yung simpleng paghawak pa lang na, parang ang hirap. Gano'n ako dati. Tapos sa business, talagang hindi rin ako business-minded. Kasi nga talagang, yun nga, wala kang patience. Hindi, ayokong mag-antay. Yun yung parang pinakamahirap na gawin, yung mag-antay. Pero nung pinasok ko 'tong business na 'to kasi, yun nga dahil ang daming mga nangyari, ang daming, tapos kailangan ko na talaga na tumingin ng paraan para mabago ang takbo ng buhay or para maabot ko ang gusto ko na siyempre to have that time, financial freedom and then to, retire early. So, yun talaga ang dahilan kung bakit ako pumasok ng business, but not thinking that there will be a lot of challenges talaga, which is yun nga, unang-una is kailangan mong i-prepare yung mindset mo at saka yung self mo din, di ba? Kasi sa business na to, you have to deal with people, not only to your team members or your business partners, but also other people. Hindi naman pwedeng magtatago ka na lang ng lungga mo. So, ano nga mangyayari sa business mo, di ba? And thing is, I have to come out from my comfort zone. And especially doing this live, hindi talaga ako sanay facing in front of the camera. But pero ngayon, aba, parang natututo na, di ba? Nagiging artistahin na tayo. So, shout out lang muna kay Tita Beth. Hi, Tita Beth. Oh my gosh. Congratulations to our team and to Gina. Yan. So, yan. Sunod-sunod na. OMG. Sana hopefully, sunod-sunod na para makaakyat tayo lahat sa stage next year. And I'm very, very happy to see you all next year. You should all buy your tickets because it's really a very nice to be there in the on the live on the event, on this event, because you will be inspired and motivated as well. And then I'm very, very excited to see all my business partners. So, di ba? So, yeah, hope to see you all next year. And hey guys, buy your tickets kasi maliit lang daw ang convention center. So, para magkasya tayo lahat, o di ba? Para mas marami tayo. Wow, ang dami na nga. Oh my gosh, ang dami na nga aakyat sa stage. Tita Beth is one of them. Yes. So, yeah, tuloy nawala ako. So, yun ang isang natutunan ko to come out from my comfort zone, and then self-discipline. Ayan, more patience. Kaya natuto rin ako ngayon na ano, pag minsan, 'di ba, sa totoo lang, reality talk. Lahat tayo at nagiging maldita pag ano, pag may mga makukulit or mga mahihina. Pero dito sa business na 'to, na na smile na lang lagi. Nakakatuwa kasi pag may nangungulit, yun, that is the funny thing about this business eh. Kasi we don't hindi kami nangungulit ng mga tao, we don't promote, we don't sell. So sila ang talagang lumalapit sa amin. We just do attraction marketing. That's the good thing about it. So kapag may nangungulit sa'yo, matutuwa ka na, kabaliktaran. Hindi tulad ng dati na may nangungulit sa'yo, may inis ka, di ba? Pero dito sa business na to, pag may nangungulit sa'yo, ay, tuwang-tuwa ka, tatalon ka ng talon. Sayaw ka ng sayaw, mapapatiktok ka pa, o di ba? yun, yun yung kagandahan sa business na to. Kasi talagang baliktad. Kaya parang, yun, nabago talaga yung mindset, kumbaga. Tapos, yung ano pa ba, nagiging mas mahaba ang pasensya. Kasi pag mas mahaba ang pasensya mo, mas nagiging close kayo dun sa mga business partners mo at saka mas lalo kayong nag-grow na dalawa. And then that longer time that you will spend to each other, kasi pag minsan 'di ba talagang mainis ka na or ayaw mo nang masyadong matagal, but here kulang ang 'di ba, we're telling that you only need like 30 minutes or 1 hour, maximum is 2 hours of your time to do this business. But here, OMG, bitin ang 2 hours actually. At kayo pa ang mapapa-enjoy na go, go, go. Parang ganon. Kaya, kaya parang nakakawala talaga ng stress. Kaya less stress talaga, more fun at saka more joy. Yun yung nadidevelop dito. Tapos yung nakakatuwa pa, as you go on, as you go along, you are not hindi lang ikaw ang nag-iisa. Ang dami mong kaakbay, which is yun yung nakakatuwa kasi hindi lang talaga ikaw ang umaangat, lahat kayo umaangat. So as you step forward, may mga kasama ka doon. Hindi may mga talagang bit-bit ka. Hindi lang ikaw na nag-iisa. So being greedy is not allowed here actually. So it's a big no, no, no. So yes, so sabi ni Tita Beth is you're confident na to go live. Oh, di ba? So yes, sila ang makakapagsabi na if we're confident or not because they've been with us starting day one. So yun yung nakakatuwa dito, and then we are supporting to each other. Di ba? Kaya sabi pa niya, sama-sama tayo sa stage. Wow! Yes! I-claim na natin yan, Tita Beth, na sama-sama tayo sa stage by next year. So yes, mga business partners, we have to keep going and get better every day, di ba? And then, hi sis Cheryl, thank you for coming into my live. Gina, oy, congratulations, Jeans. And then, ito, sabi ni Tita Beth, always motivated tayo. Yeah. Yan yung pinaka-importante. As we go on our lives every day, we are being inspired and motivated at each other. Kaya yun yung nakakatuwa kasi talagang you never go alone in this business, and then we are all here supporting at each other. Yun yung nakakatuwa. Di ba? Yes, alam mo, Sis Cheryl, nararamdaman ko malapit ka na rin. Malapit ka na rin. Just have faith and pray for it. And we're praying for you too. O, di ba? Oy, sabi ni Brother JK, we are motivated by you for your dedication, Ate Jo. Oh, pero mas namomotivate ako sa inyo kasi parang yung sa akin is nagiging pushy ba ako? Pero hindi naman sa pushy, pero at least, yeah, we're pushing at nagtutulakan tayo lahat na business partners, which is the good thing. Kasi yun yung nakakatuwa eh. Kasi pag medyo, there will come a time na talagang you will feel down and you will feel low. But the good thing is dito, may mga kasama ka and your business and other business partners, they will put you up and motivate you again. Kasi nawawala naman talaga ang motivation. Pero if someone is there to push you forward and keep you going, and then showing you that, hey, you have to do this, you have to do that, and then, yeah, namomotivate ka talaga. So, yun yung nakakatuwa sa business na ito. And then si Cheryl says, yes, amen. Yes, amen tayo dyan, sis. Talagang, yeah, malapit ka na, girl. Pag yun yung sinasabi namin eh, na there's a reason why ang dami mo pang pinagdadaanan ngayon. And then I've mentioned that to our business partners, Zap and Ken, because yeah, sa business naman talaga, una, hindi naman talaga mag-boom yan. Kasi some of them, they always expect na once they've joined the business, they will right away feel the ROI, the return of investment. But no, you have to experience something. Like for Zap and Ken, they were able to, I was there when they're feeling that too, and sabi ko sa kanila, alam nyo, magagamit nyo yan pagdating ng mga business partners nyo. And I'm very, very proud that yes, they were able to overcome that experiences and challenges. And right now, they are the one teaching or showing and motivating and inspiring their business partners. Kasi na-experience na nila eh, alam na nila. So there's really a reason why the Lord is, letting us experience these things. Oh, ang dami ko tumatawag ng mga spam calls. And yes, so dito sa business, yeah, sabi ni JK, is always there's a helping hand. And yes, pushing in a good way naman eh. LOL. Talagang sinabi mong pushy ah. And Sis Lay, hi Sis Lay, thank you for coming into my live again. Hi sis, and thank you so much, and congratulations to our team. Oh my gosh. So, diba? Congratulations sa ating lahat. And I was very, very happy. So, yeah. And together, having these challenges and struggles that we're encountering right now, it will lead us to be confident, to be resilient, to keep going. And we develop also a self-fulfillment, and we become a best we become the very best version of ourselves. Kasi through this, when I encountered this business, hindi naman ako hindi naman ako hindi naman ako ganito mag-isip, hindi naman ako ganito magsalita, na alam mo yun, yung parang may laman or good in public speaking. And then hindi ako ganito ka-confident dati. And maalala ko yung pinakaunang live ko, pinatay ko yun agad kasi nakita ko si Coach Lynn, yung aming coach. I remember my first go live na talagang first na live. Kaka-join ko lang ata noon eh. I think it's less than a month when I joined the business. And then I tried to do live, and then I opened it para ma-experience lang at ma-experiment kung ano yun. Wala, natameme ako. Walang lumabas na kahit na anong word. Tapos hi, hello lang sa mga nakikita ko sa aking go live. And then when Coach Lynn entered my go live, and then hi sis, oh my gosh, lalo akong nataranta. At pinatay ko yung aking go live. I remember those days. And then right now, I just took courage because wala talagang mangyayari kung hindi ako mag-step forward, and nothing will happen on my business kung I will not do anything. And this business showed me how to improve myself. And yun, self-confidence, the gain, at saka yung weaknesses, and saka yung weaknesses, yung mga potential, mga strength, ayan, na-develop na rin, and then I was able to, figure out na, yun nga, sinasabi nila na, techie pala ako. Oh, di ba? Kasi naman dati hindi naman ako tech savvy eh. I don't know how to, magkalikot sa ano, especially doing Canva, doing CapCut, to edit videos. I don't know those, but I was able to learn when I joined this business, and I was able to discover that, hey, may alam pala ako sa mga ganitong bagay. O, di ba? So, yun. And nakaka-develop na, sabi ni Sis Cheryl, ng positive mindset. Oh, sabi ni Sis Christine, hey, oy, tinext kita, hindi reply ka. Pushing is getting better than shoving. Yes. Di ba? Hindi naman yung shoving, di ba? Di ba Ken, JK? Pushing naman lang talaga yun. So, sabi ni si Cheryl, yeah, but look at you now, since you are a pros to go live and public speaking, and that positive mindset. Positive mindset talaga. Yung advice na aking maiibigay is just continue on improving yourself. If you feel like you're growing, continue on what you are doing. And for me, I learned that there's a lot of improvement, especially having this kind of business. There's really a lot of ways on how to improve yourself, especially learning on how you will be comfortable. And another advice is to be aware of your strength and weaknesses and potential. At saka makikita mo yun at matututunan mo yun kapag may ginawa kang step when you started on something and doing on something. Baka kasi hindi mo yan madidiscover kapag wala kang ginawa eh. Kung you just stayed on your comfort zone. So once you step out, then that's the time that you will learn, and you will learn and know that you have a potential, and know your weaknesses also. O, di ba? Malay mo yung mga weaknesses mong yun pala yung mga strength mo. At makikita mo na wala ka ng weakness. O, di ba? And then embrace new challenges. Embrace your authenticity. Hindi naman kailangan na kopyahin mo kung sino yung mga iniidolo mo, or kung sino yung mga gusto mong successful people. No, you don't have to copy them. You just come out and show what you really are, diba? And be proud of your roots. Be proud of where you came from, and be proud of where you started, diba? Just like all the stories that I'm hearing here in our community, they all came from nothing. They all came from humble beginnings. And you see, they use that one to uplift themselves and be successful, diba? And then, yes, continue having this self-improvement by seeking new knowledge. And every day is a continuous learning. Every day is a new learning, and it's a new day. So just keep on learning and reflecting, di ba? Kung tama ba yung mga nagawa mo during the day, and then the next day, you know what, paano mo haharapin na naman yung isang araw, di ba? So have this self-reflection mind, that you have to reflect on what was your day, di ba? And then surround yourself with positive people. Yan ang pinaka-importante. At saka ako, talagang naiinis ako sa mga nega na people, mga negative minds. And ang masasabi ko, si Gina ang makakapag-attest niyan. Kasi I really, really, really hate negative people. If someone is talking about negas in life, I will just walk away. I just turn my back and walk away. That's what I want. Siguro yan yung gusto ko sa sarili, yung pinaka-gusto ko sa sarili ko. Kasi once na there's I hear some negative vibes, or I hear talagang hindi mo na ako tatalikod na lang ako at lalayas. Hindi mo namalayan, wala ka ng kausap kapag nagsasalita ka ng nag nagsasalita ka ng mga negas in life. But if you're talking about, sharing your life and your struggles and you want to seek some advice or someone to listen to you, iba yun eh. But talking about yung pagkanega na, alam mo yun, yung parang, uy, si ganito, ganyan, ganyan, pangit, ganyan. Ay, nako, hindi mo na ako maaasahan. Wala na ako sa tabi mo pag gano'n. Because I always tell people, you really don't know what they are going through. Every people that I'm talking to and then telling that yung mga ganun, I always tell them that, uh, hindi mo alam kung ano ang pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. So, you should not be, having these negative vibes or negative thinking. So, yun. And yes, shout out lang muna, si Cheryl. Yes, creativeness is coming out. Ganda ng mga works mo sa Canva, etc. Uy, thank you so much. Totoo ba? Ganun eh. And Sis Eva, thank you for coming into my live. And yes, this is Shirley. Thank you so much. Yes, that's true. Yes, thank you for coming into my live for today. And I think that's it for today. Hope I was able to share something. And I always tell that we don't just go on our lives just to brag, boast, or anything, but to share something that you can resonate from. And we are sharing these blessings this blessing that we encountered 11 months ago, which is our digital business. And you can check and watch the free info session. We have the free webinar today at 5 p.m. PST, 7 p.m. EST, CST, and 8 p.m. EST. And you can check it on my website. Just enter your name and your email address at www.josonkit.com. And if you want to proceed with step 2, just go ahead. I advise you to, I advise you to do so, because on the step 2, you will see the blueprint or the beauty of our digital business. Kasi lahat doon nakalatag, and you will decide if this is a good choice for you, good fit for you, because I've told you a while ago that we have a big room, and that is self-improvement. And if you want to challenge yourself to be, to have this personal growth and self-improvement, then this is the one that I'm offering you right now, that just go ahead, because I know that you can make it, diba? Si Sis Gina nga nagawa niya, diba? Si Sis Zap, which is having an action taker, diba? And si Sis Melody, which is our new business partner today, and took a leap of faith and started her digital business because she saw the beauty of it, and she joined us. So I want to congratulate everyone, and to the team, the influencers, which is I'm very, very proud of. Congratulations everyone, lahat na na-overwhelmed sa mga ang daming aakyat for next year's event. Oh my gosh, and I can't wait. I'm very, very excited. And yes, Sis Gilda, nakahabol. Hi, Sis Gilda. Thank you for coming into my live. And yeah, nakahabol ka pero patapos na. si Sis Aba, sabi ni Eva, may hidden talent. At saka hindi mo talaga malalaman kung may hidden talent ka if you won't start anything. And ikaw, nakikita mo yan, Sis Eva. I'm pretty sure little did you know that your talent will come out? Di ba? May talent ka naman eh. Hindi mo lang nilalabas, girl. Kaya mo yan. And ipupush kita. Labas mo lang ang iyong talent. Napaka-confident mo na sa pagsasalita sa live. I always learn something from you. Thank you, Aba, Sis Zap. Mas marami nga ako natututunan sa inyong dalawa eh. And yes, this is Shay nakahabol. And thank you, Sis Gilda. Good thing that you were able to catch me on live for today. And yes, for tomorrow, it will be our 52nd day of our Go Challenge. And hope to see you again for tomorrow. And for today, oh my gosh, na-overwhelmed na talaga kami kasi another business partner, which is Gina, hit her major milestone. And everyone will follow because, if one started, susunod na ang mga lahat. And i-claim namin yan. And we are praying hard for that one. And positive kami. So just keep going. Keep going and keep getting better every day sa aking mga teammates, sa aking team members, business partners. So we can make this. We just keep on going and have faith in God. Diba? Pag-pray na lang natin lahat lagi. And thank you so much. And gonna see you tomorrow again. And yun, ang aking masishare ngayon. Bye sa lahat. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a good day and have a blessed Tuesday, everyone. Thank you.